Hello and welcome back to the Daily Eco. Today we're looking into why pothos leaves turn yellow and what you can do about it. Overwatering. So let's start with the most common issue, overwatering. Your pothos needs the top layer of soil to dry out between waterings. So if you've already noticed some root rot, don't worry. Trim away the affected roots, repot in fresh soil, and adjust your watering schedule moving forward. Soil. Your pothos needs soil that drains well while retaining nutrients. A good mix includes worm casting, peat, and perlite. Make sure your pot has drainage holes to prevent water from collecting at the bottom. Humidity. These plants thrive in humid environments. When the air gets too dry, you'll notice yellow or brown-edged leaves. So try misting the leaves or setting up a pebble tray with water. This is particularly important near heating sources during winter. Light. Pothos naturally grow under tree canopies, so they prefer filtered light. Too much direct sun will scorch their leaves, so place them near a window with indirect light, perhaps behind a sheer curtain to protect them from intense sunlight. Nutrients. Yellow tips or veins often signal a need for nutrients, especially iron. Adding iron supplements or a balanced fertilizer will help restore their green color. So watch the leaves carefully because they will show you when they're getting what they need. And finally, temperature. These plants do well in temperatures between 68 and 88 Fahrenheit or 20 to 31 degrees Celsius. So keep them away from cold drafts and heating vents to maintain a healthy growth. Follow these care lines and your pothos will thrive with beautiful green leaves. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening videos like this one. Until next time.